Hello guys, welcome to the How to Webmaster YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to register an unlimited amount of domains for $1 each. And here's the deal. Check out mydomaindeals.com, and I'm going to show you guys the link at the bottom. So basically you can register .com, .net, .org, infobiz, and .co for only $1 each. And this is a deal by Network Solutions. So basically you go here at My Domain Deals and click Activate Deal, and you'll be taken to the Network Solutions website. And the deal is you have to register, you can only register up to 5 domains at a time, and it's $1 each. However, I've been able to register over 50 already at $1 each without any problems. So, and I've heard other people ordering about 300 domains and more at $1 each without any problems. So this deal is currently going on, and it can end at any given moment. So go ahead, grab your domains as soon as you can for $1 each. It's pretty much the cheapest you can get. So once you're at Network Solutions, click on bulk search and then enter your 5 domains. So here I have my 5 domains. Click continue, and make sure they're available, then click continue, and then you can continue as guest or log in. So let's continue as guest, and you don't have to order anything extra. Just click on the cart button up here, and as you can see, each one of these domains are only $1 each. Click on secure checkout, and then just go ahead and enter in your PayPal or credit card, and then the domains will show up in your account. And that's pretty much it. At mydomaindeals.com, I've given you guys some domain registration tips because some people have reported some issues with the payment. So I recommend, if you can't pay or have error with PayPal, use the credit card, and if you use credit card have error, use the PayPal, and contact customer service if anything, if you have a problem paying. And also the domains will take approximately 15 minutes to show up in your accounts. I've noticed that problem before, and then sometime it shows up right away. So Network Solution is one of the most well-known, one of the oldest domain registration service. However, they are one of the most expensive, but at $34 per .com registration and renewal. So for some reason they're giving out this $1 deal, which is super amazing. And so you register your new domains for $1 each, and then you can go ahead and transfer them away by the end of the year, so that you don't have to be charged $34 per domain renewals. And I'm gonna show you guys later how to transfer domains, how to renew at a cheaper rate at my website, mydomaindeals.com. So I hope this helped you guys out. Go ahead and check it out. Thank you, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you.